Effective communication is a cornerstone of meaningful interactions, yet it poses significant challenges, especially when dealing with individuals who are naturally reserved or shy. Navigating such interactions requires not just patience, but also a strategic approach to encourage openness and dialogue. This is where the mirror method comes into play, an innovative technique crafted to bridge the gap between strangers, fostering a space where meaningful and engaging conversations can flourish. Through this method, individuals can learn to reflect, adapt, and respond in ways that resonate with their conversational partners, ultimately leading to a deeper understanding and connection. The mirror method is a way to talk to people that helps you understand and connect with them better. Here's how you can do it when you're having a conversation. Listen well. Really listen to what the other person is saying. Don't just wait for your turn to talk. Pay attention to their words and how they say them. Show you understand. After they say something, show them you get it. You can repeat back some of what they said or just nod and show you're following along. Share back. When it's your turn to speak, connect what you say to what they just said. This shows you're really listening and that you care about the conversation. Be genuine. Make sure your responses are real and come from a place of understanding. Don't just say what you think they want to hear. Keep it going. Keep using what they say to build the conversation. This back and forth is like a game of catch, where you're gently tossing ideas and feelings back and forth. By using the mirror method, you show empathy, which means you're trying to understand and share someone else's feelings. This makes conversations more meaningful and helps build stronger connections with people. You're liking the video so far? Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. The mirror method is great because it helps everyone in a conversation feel important and listened to. When you talk with someone using this method, you both get a chance to speak and to listen. This balance makes sure that no one is left out or feels ignored. Here's why it's good for both people. Everyone gets a turn. Just like taking turns in a game, everyone gets a chance to talk and to listen. This makes the conversation fair and fun for both people. Feeling heard. When someone listens to you and shows they understand, it feels good. You know your thoughts and feelings are valued. Feeling valued. When you listen and respond to someone else, you're showing them that what they say matters to you. This helps them feel respected and important. Using the mirror method in talking helps make sure that everyone is involved and feels good about the conversation. It's like a two-way street where both people can share and listen, making the chat enjoyable and meaningful for both. Let's look at two examples to understand how to use the mirror method well and what to avoid. Imagine you're talking to a friend who's excited about a movie they just saw. They say, "I love that movie. It was so exciting and the music was amazing." Using the mirror method, you might respond, "It sounds like the movie really impressed you, especially the music. What was your favorite part?" This response shows you're listening and you care about their feelings. Example to avoid. Now, let's say your friend talks about the same movie, but instead of using the mirror method, you quickly change the subject. "I haven't seen it. Did you hear about the new restaurant opening downtown?" This makes it seem like you're not interested in what they just shared. Remember, do listen and show you understand. Don't ignore what the other person said or quickly change the topic. By using the mirror method the right way, you make conversations better and help everyone feel listened to and valued. Here are some more tips to make your conversations even better when using the mirror method. Use body language. Your body can say a lot, even without words. Smile, nod, and make eye contact to show you're really listening and you care about the conversation. Say their name. People like hearing their name. It makes them feel special and shows you're paying attention to them. Fit the situation. How you talk can change depending on where you are and who you're with. Be more formal in a job interview, but more relaxed with friends. By adding these tips to the mirror method, you can become even better at talking with others and making them feel heard and important. The mirror method is a great way to make your conversations better. It helps you understand people more and makes them feel listened to. Try using this method when you talk to others. See how it changes the way you chat. It's okay to try different ways to see what works best. If something doesn't go right, it's fine. You can learn from it. Talk to others about how it's going and get their ideas too. Remember, the more you practice, the better you get at making your talks with people more enjoyable and meaningful. Give it a try and see how it can help you connect with others better. Want to learn more about talking to strangers? Click on the first link in the comment section below to find a book all about this topic. It's full of good ideas to help you chat better with people you don't know yet. Check it out. Stay on the wise path. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.